you venture into the heart of nature, adaptability becomes key. Patagonia, for example, known for its stunning landscapes and ever-changing weather, is a land of breathtaking glaciers and pristine lakes that offers awe-inspiring beauty at every turn. Its climate is as diverse as its landscapes, and as difficult challenge, it demands gear that can keep up. Enter the wearable sleeping bags, your versatile companions for this unique environment. These wearable sleeping bags offer comfort even at temperatures as low as 6 degrees Celsius. Remarkably, the largest size weighs only 2 kilograms, making them an excellent choice for treks and hikes in the Patagonian wilderness. Crafted with synthetic insulation and eco-friendly materials, these bags are your eco-conscious choice for embracing the wild. This is an important consideration, as it allows you to enjoy nature while minimizing your impact on it. At a price around $200, they're a valuable addition to your adventure gear collection.
When you embark on a camping adventure, the allure of the great outdoors often comes with varying temperatures and weather conditions. As camping enthusiasts know, the right gear can make all the difference. That's where the Camping Climate Control System for electric vehicles steps in. This innovation is a game changer for camping in style because it is designed to cater to your comfort. It is compatible with various Tesla and Rivian models and keeps the interior at a comfortable 21 degrees Celsius even when the outside temperature dips to a frigid 12 degrees Celsius. You can easily manage the climate with your smartphone. The Camping Climate Control System not only enhances your camping experience, but also represents a step forward in sustainable camping practices.
Setting up camp after the sun goes down and it's time to slumber might be a chore. Consider the convenience of an auto-inflating shelter of 210 by 210 by 136 centimeter. It improves your camping experience in only 3 minutes, inflating up to 30 times on a single charge. This shelter, built to resist storms and heavy snow, provides safe and warm protection. A good night's sleep is necessary after a day of outdoor exploring. Enter the 200 by 70 by 14 centimeter expandable airbed. It inflates quickly in under a minute and can be used up to 20 times on a single charge, making it ideal for long excursions. It is designed to endure rough terrain, from sandy beaches to rocky landscapes, and can support weights of up to 300 kilos, assuring a restful night's sleep.
Exploring the great outdoors often means disconnecting from the digital world. However, staying powered up for emergencies or sharing your adventures can be a real challenge. That's where the solar-powered backpack becomes an essential companion. The backpack's design includes LED running lights, a pull-out rain cover, and a protective casing. Weighing in at 8 kilograms, this backpack boasts a built-in solar panel and a 600 watt-hour battery. It keeps your devices charged, allowing you to stay in touch with the world. Whether you're hiking through remote trails or exploring off-grid locations, this backpack ensures you're always connected. This device is a smart investment for your next modern adventurers.
Imagine yourself under a starry night sky, surrounded by the splendor of nature, but with a little chill in the air. That's when your heated camping blanket comes in handy. This unique heated blanket is more than simply a toasty blanket. It's a game changer in outdoor comfort. Featuring 4 modes, including quick warming and gradual cooling, this blanket, originally created for militaries, is your ideal camping companion. To power it, you'll need a power bank with a cigarette lighter output. Pair it with a camping cot from the same manufacturer for added comfort. This cozy solution is priced at around $100, making it a reasonable investment for anyone who loves camping but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort. You can now extend your camping season well into the cooler months, making unforgettable memories under the stars without shivering through the night.
As the sun sets during your camping trip, finding a comfortable place to unwind becomes a top priority. This is where the folding chair with a cooling system really shines. It can decrease the temperature to a refreshing 7 degrees Celsius in seconds, creating a haven of warmth amid the wilderness. You have two choices: a whole chair with additional sun protection, or simply the cooling pad at a lesser price. This innovation features 16 meters of micro-cooling lines that circulate cold water from a tiny fridge or other similar sources. It is powered by a 5,000 milliamp hour battery bank and can provide comfort for up to 9 hours on maximum mode. When temperatures rise and humidity increases, the inevitable mosquito invasion can turn outdoor adventures into a nightmare. But now, a new mosquito repellent promises to revolutionize our habits and improve our daily experience with these pesky insects. This device uses 2 repellent plates to create a mosquito-free zone within a 9-meter radius and takes action in only 50 seconds. This little repellent is, with its 465 grams, incredibly portable. It is a great companion for camping vacations, picnics, and any outdoor activity where mosquitoes are likely to be present. It also has a flashlight built in, which adds another degree of convenience to your outdoor pursuits. Need to get back to your tent at night or find something in your campsite? This device has your back. It also includes a large 14,400 milliamp hour power bank to keep your electronics charged, even when you're in the middle of nowhere. This device is a small investment that can significantly improve your outdoor experiences by keeping mosquitoes at bay and ensuring you have a reliable power source for your devices.
Delight in the joy of open-air cooking with a touch of innovation. The Nomad Grill and Smoker combo delivers an exceptional culinary experience while camping. Its patented thermal design and numerous innovations make it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. With multi-layer construction allowing you to cook on wooden surfaces and secured vent sliders and grates with magnets, this grill and smoker combo offers unparalleled convenience. This adaptability provides up a world of culinary possibilities, ranging from perfectly grilled steaks to delectable smoked foods. Do you want to go camping with a large group of friends or family? No problem. It can feed a sizable gathering with the capacity to cook up to 30 burgers at once. Weighing in at 13 kilograms, it's portable enough for fishing trips, beach outings, or any outdoor gathering. And the added treat? A built-in bimetallic thermometer. Take your camping cuisine to new heights with this innovative grill and savor the joy of outdoor cooking like never before.
In the blistering summer heat, where even ice cubes start sweating, staying cool becomes a survival skill. That's where the portable air conditioner struts in, like your trusty superhero, ready to rescue you from the fiery furnace of the outdoors or your stuffy living room. Enter the stage the Zero Breeze Mark II Plus portable air conditioner, armed with a compressor that could cool down a volcano in seconds. It's your personal portable oasis, ensuring you're more chill than a penguin on vacation. What makes this lifesaver even better? It's small and light, so you can take it anywhere without hiring a team of bodybuilders. Plus, it's got a battery that lasts longer than a Harry Potter marathon, meaning no frantic searches for an outlet. Perfect for camping or just pretending you're a winter-loving Eskimo in the middle of summer. But wait, there's more. This gizmo has more settings than your grandma's antique clock. You've got the fan-only mode and a dehumidifier because, hey, why not have options? Setting it up? Easier than making toast. And maintenance? No sweat. Literally. Thanks to the washable air filter, keeping it shipshape is a breeze.